Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 hairstyles you can be wearing with your short hair. Some people think that when you have short hair that you can't really do much with it, but that's not true. So I'm going to be showing you guys tutorials on how you can do your hair when it's short. I'm so happy it's all gone. Honestly, it was such a huge relief and it's something that I'm obsessed with the length. It's so fun to play with. I honestly keep finding myself running my fingers through my hair and playing with it. So I love it. I love the short hair and I'm excited to be able to show you guys different hairstyles you can do as my hair grows out. And that'll be so fun for me and fun for you guys to have more content that is relatable because I know not everybody has hair down to their butt. And so this will be fun for you guys to get to see different styles you can try. And these will be pretty much styles you can do with short and long hair. So it's a win-win for everyone. Anyways, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a small section and we're gonna split it into 3 and inside out braid it all the way around to the back. Keeping it eye level is key with short hairstyles because you want to keep that bottom half thick and looking really full. And then I'm going to do that on the other side as well. When I'm done, I'm going to ponytail both of them and then I'm going to connect them in the back. I like to tug on the braid to give it a little bit of fullness, but it's not flat, and then I just add a little ribbon to add a little bit more flair to it, and I think it is such a cute spring hairstyle. Honestly, braids can be worn all year round, but I think it's so cute for the springtime. This style is super easy. It's just a twisty with a little bobby pin, and I use these really cute pearl ones for this look. And I just twist it back, tug on it a little to give it more fullness, and pin it in place. And I think this one is just so cute and easy just to snazz up your hair a little for the day. This one is a half up, half down into a little messy bun. This is the same messy bun I always do, but it's small and mini and I think it's so cute. I just put it in a mop and then put those pieces into the little ponytail, and then I'm just bobby pinning it in place to how I like it to look. And this one is just so easy and so cute, and then I just pull a few pieces out surrounding the face for some face framing, and that's that. I think this is such a cute hairstyle. Okay, I hope you guys found that video helpful, and I hope you guys got some ideas for some different hairstyles you can wear with some short hair. I have so many more where that came from, so if that's what you guys are interested in seeing, leave a comment below, and I can't wait to share with you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!